Day 23. Yesterday you practiced setting a benchmark. Today you're going to learn why your algorithm needs to agree with you on what time it actually is. Markets open and close at specific local times. If your algorithm is reading timestamps in the wrong time zone, an order meant for the opening bell might fire hours too early or too late. So, what is set time zone? Set time zone is the method you call in initialize to set which time zone your algorithm uses when interpreting market data and scheduling actions. Here's a simple analogy to explain it better. On the left, we have scheduling a call across countries. On the right, set time zone. Imagine booking a call for 9 a.m. without specifying whose 9 a.m. you mean. Your 9 a.m. could be someone else's 4 p.m. Without agreeing on a time zone first, neither of you will show up at the right moment. The call scheduling here says, a time only means something once everyone agrees on the time zone. Set time zone works exactly the same way. It defines which time zone your algorithm reads timestamps in, which in this case is. If you set the wrong time zone, your market open or trade might actually fire hours before or after the real opening bell. With that, we wrap up the simple introduction of the concept of set time zone in QuantConnect. Here's a quick knowledge check. Getting the time zone wrong can cause your algorithm to act at the wrong moment relative to the market, true or false. And the correct answer is true. If your algorithm misreads the time zone, scheduled actions like trading at market open can fire at the wrong real-world moment entirely.